Tom won't likely need to do that. Tom won't likely need to do that. Tom would be ashamed to do that. Tom would be ashamed to do that. Tom would never do that way. Tom would never do that way. Tom wouldn't do that by himself. Tom wouldn't do that by himself. Tom wouldn't make Mary do that. Tom wouldn't make Mary do that. When did Tom tell you to do that? When did Tom tell you to do that? When does Tom want me to do that? When does Tom want me to do that? When is Tom planning to do that? When is Tom planning to do that? When is Tom supposed to do that? When is Tom supposed to do that? Who told you Tom couldn't do that? Who told you Tom couldn't do that? Who told you Tom didn't do that? Who told you Tom didn't do that? Why do you want Tom to do that? Why do you want Tom to do that? Would you really do that for Tom? Would you really do that for Tom? You have to tell Tom to do that. You have to tell Tom to do that. You made Tom do that, didn't you? You made Tom do that, didn't you? You said you'd help Tom do that. You said you'd help Tom do that. I'm willing to do that for Tom. I'm willing to do that for Tom. Both Tom and Mary didn't do that. Both Tom and Mary didn't do that. Did you have Tom do that for you? Did you have Tom do that for you? Did you know Tom had to do that? Did you know Tom had to do that? I begged Tom to help me do that. I begged Tom to help me do that. I don't think Tom had to do that. I don't think Tom had to do that. I don't want to do that for Tom. I don't want to do that for Tom. I feel certain Tom will do that. I feel certain Tom will do that. I guess Tom will have to do that. I guess Tom will have to do that. I heard that Tom doesn't do that. I heard that Tom doesn't do that. I hope that Tom doesn't do that. I hope that Tom doesn't do that. I hope Tom won't need to do that. I hope Tom won't need to do that. I knew Tom might have to do that. I knew Tom might have to do that. I knew Tom might need to do that. I knew Tom might need to do that. I knew Tom would likely do that. I knew Tom would likely do that. I knew Tom would need to do that. I knew Tom would need to do that. I know Tom will have to do that. I know Tom will have to do that. I know why Tom wouldn't do that. I know why Tom wouldn't do that. I should tell Tom how to do that. I should tell Tom how to do that. I should tell Tom not to do that. I should tell Tom not to do that. I think that Tom didn't do that. I think that Tom didn't do that. I think Tom would like to do that. I think Tom would like to do that. I told Tom that I would do that. I told Tom that I would do that. I wish Tom could do that better. I wish Tom could do that better. I wonder if Tom needs to do that. I wonder if Tom needs to do that. I wonder if Tom wants to do that. I wonder if Tom wants to do that. I wonder why Tom should do that. I wonder why Tom should do that. I'm glad that Tom didn't do that. I'm glad that Tom didn't do that. I'm sure Tom will still do that. I'm sure Tom will still do that. Is Tom going to help you do that? Is Tom going to help you do that? It looks like Tom won't do that. It looks like Tom won't do that. It looks like Tom might do that. It looks like Tom might do that. It'll be hard for Tom to do that. It'll be hard for Tom to do that. Maybe I could help Tom do that. Maybe I could help Tom do that.